Alright, can you guys see me well? Maybe the mask there is not the best. I can have it, you know, but I don't need to have it in the background. Hello magical people and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to say thank you to the people who reached out to me on DM on Instagram about my video on how I make content calendar for my social media platforms. So thank you so much. I am really happy that you guys loved that video. I will put a link in the comment section for you guys if you missed it. However, today we are not talking about content calendar or anything planification because today we are going to edit pictures. I know that some of you love those kind of video. I love making those videos. I think they are fun. So yeah, today we are going to edit pictures with Picsart. I always talk about the other app that I love so much, but I recently started to really go deep into the app Picsart, and the number of things you can do with this app are unlimited. Seriously, this is really good. I know this app is popular and it has been there since a long time, but I'm just starting using it, okay? Anyways, today I am going to do a Picsart photo editing tutorial for beginners like me. I am a beginner as well since I just started to really go into the app and look at what the app is offering, and I thought it would be great to show you guys what I learned while playing with the app. Obviously, I am using free features because when I don't know the app and I have not played enough with it, I don't like to buy it. I like to know if it's something that worth the investment. For now, I believe you can do a lot of things with the free features that you don't need to buy the app. So I would highly recommend you are taking a cup of coffee, you sitting down, and you watch me edit this picture. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to never miss another edit with me video. And you guys, I am stuck at 75 subscribers. I would love to at least have 100, okay? It's free. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Without further ado, we're going to edit this picture on my phone. Obviously, you guys are going to follow along, so download the app and let's do this together. So everything I am about to do on Picsart is going to be on my phone, but you can also do it on your iPad, your tablet, whatever you're using. Before filming this video, while I was playing with the app, I was thinking of what I really wanted to show you doing some edit with Picsart. I've created with my picture a kind of cartoonish edit with me and Minnie and Mickey, obviously Disney freak. This is what we are about to make with the app Picsart. You guys know this picture of me really well because it's everywhere. I'm going to record my screen, that way you guys can follow along, so take whatever you need. Also, I am using a Stylus that I bought on Amazon. It's about $30. Without further ado, let's get into it. So we're gonna go on Picsart here. I mean, right? Next, we're going to go on that little plus and select the picture that we want to use. Now that you selected the picture, I want to make an edit with a different background. To do so, you will have to cut out yourself. So I'm going to go on cut out, go on select, and I'm going to do person. That way Picsart can do it for me. I'm going to erase a couple of selection that Picsart made that I don't want to take with me. There you go. You want to add, as you can see here, Picsart didn't take the whole shirt. You can just go on brush and take the part that Picsart forgot. Now you click on save and you got your stickers. So you go on next, save, download your photo. For this example, I find my background on Pinterest. So let's go on Pinterest. On Pinterest, you can tap whatever you want as a wallpaper, or you can go on my profile. I have a board. I already said that in my previous video. I have a board called Wallpaper for Content Creation, and you can choose any of the wallpaper you want as a background of your picture. Let's go back to Picsart. I've already found my background and I already know what I want to do with it. First, we need to modify a little bit of the stickers that we made. So we're going to select our stickers and we are going to do an effect on this shirt. We are going to select only the shirt. To do so, you have to go to Tools, Selection, and this time we're going to take the brush. And you're going to brush the entire shirt. We made a selection of the entire shirt, but we need to fix and erase some part of the selection. So this is what we're going to do now. Eraser, and we are going to erase, for example, part of my stroke. Now, it looks pretty good. So what we're gonna do is that we are going to add an effect to it. So we're going to Effects, and here you can see the outline that we selected. We're going to go on, use the rainbow one, and touch those 3 little circles here to make the color of your shirt. And now apply. Woohoo! Our shirt is cartoonish. I love it. Apply this. Next, save Picsart. I've already chosen what kind of wallpaper I want to use, and I find it on Pinterest. I want to use the Mickey and Minnie one. This is from their new ride at Hollywood Studios. So we're going to go right away on the FX section, choose the rainbow effect, and tap the circle again. You can fade a little bit the effect if you feel like it. We're going to apply. Next, you want to put your picture on this background. Go on Add Photos and choose a photo. And I am going to hide a Mickey and Minnie. I'm gonna leave a little bit the car behind to show that the car is coming. And I want to add Mickey and Minnie. To do so, I will go on Stickers, Discover, and on Search I will do Mickey Mouse. Yes. And I want to use this one. So I'm going to resize them and put them close to the train, like they are belonging here. And my picture is basically done. And next, and save. And you just made a really cool picture. Oh, oops. And just like that, it's done. You guys made it. You guys just edit a really cool picture with a really cartoonish background, cut off your own self, put in another background, add some sticker, and made it super cute. I love to create content that I want to see out there. So I am only creating things that I love and that I think other people will love as well. That is unique and cute and colorful and also different. I know that there's a lot of you out there that have a lack of creativity and never know what to do, and sometimes it's great to have people who show you how to create things to grow your following. So I'm here to help. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment if you like this video, and I will see you next time. And you watch me edit this picture. That's it. It is no other. I didn't want to say anything after this sentence. I didn't want to. This is really loud. So today, I need to stop clapping my... Yes, I'm begging! Okay? Sometimes you have to beg to get the thing that you want. I keep saying okay.